happening, and then we come back and wrap up this part of New Center.
And if this application was to be allowed, rather than for hearing, then my client would be at a loss to understand what are the parameters that are being used. If one party seeks a clarification and it is functus officio, and another party comes before the same court and it is admitted for hearing. We also note, my Lord, that in essence, this application seeks, in substance, interpretation of Articles 138, 3C of the Constitution. This court gave directions that where a matter raises issues of interpretation of the Constitution, it is the High Court that has original jurisdiction to interpret the Constitution. I have looked at the application, and it is not any different from the application we had brought in court. Therefore, on that ground, my Lord, I humbly request the court to strike out this application even before we go for hearing. The same should suffer the same fate as our application that we had filed before this court. Thank you.
Your Ladyship and my Lords, Mr. Kenyanjui informs me that he'll abide with whatever directions the court gives after this session. He'll abide with whatever directions the court gives.
Okay. Yes, Peter.
Yes, Your Lordship and Ladyship, from where we stand, the application presents procedural, jurisdictional, and substantive issues. And we are in agreement with the sentiments expressed by my senior colleague, Mr. Kirago Kimani.
Sorry?
I'm in agreement with the sentiments expressed by my senior colleague, Mr. Kirago Kimani, that the court gives the parties time to ventilate on all those issues, preferably by way of written submissions and then a date for highlighting, owing to the urgency of the matter.
Please, my lord, my lady, I think there is a jurisdictional question involved in this matter. One would have expected that the applicant gives what he understands he is required to do by this court. And juxtapose that against what the court asked him to do, because all he is asking is clarify for me what I should do. If the Maina Kiai case was decided and has been upheld by this court, the Maina Kiai was very clear that the functions of the chairperson of IEBC are clearly subscribed. So I do not know where the error is, but I speak realizing that it is an important question, but where is the error in the judgment of the court? If a decision of the lower court which was relied on has been upheld, then you rely on that court's decision or go back to that court if you seek clarification. That's the jurisdictional point that I put forward on behalf of the Law Society of Kenya. Let me also say, since I'm here, that Council has not addressed the issue fully. The President and most of the members of the Council of the Law Society were out of the country. They have returned.